I recently purchased the activated charcoal Epic Teeth Whitening Fluoride-free toothpaste in the fresh mint and coconut oil variant, and I must say, I am thoroughly impressed with the results. As someone who values natural ingredients and wants to maintain a healthy oral care routine, this toothpaste ticks all the right boxes. First and foremost, the fact that it is fluoride-free is a huge plus for me. I appreciate that the toothpaste doesn't contain any potentially harmful chemicals, allowing me to confidently use it every day without worrying about any adverse effects. The absence of peroxide and SLS, sodium lauryl sulfate, is also a great feature, as it ensures a gentle yet effective cleaning experience. The activated charcoal in this toothpaste is the real game changer. It works wonders in removing surface stains and discoloration, leaving my teeth noticeably whiter and brighter. I've been using it for a few weeks now, and I can already see a significant improvement in the overall appearance of my teeth. It's truly impressive how a natural ingredient like activated charcoal can have such a positive impact on teeth whitening. The fresh mint and coconut oil flavor is a delightful combination. The minty freshness leaves my mouth feeling clean and refreshed, while the subtle hint of coconut oil adds a pleasant touch. It's a unique flavor that sets this toothpaste apart from others on the market. Another aspect worth mentioning is that this toothpaste is vegan and gluten-free. As someone who follows a vegan lifestyle, I appreciate brands that cater to my dietary preferences. It's reassuring to know that I can achieve a brighter smile without compromising my values. It delivers impressive teeth whitening results while utilizing natural ingredients and avoiding potentially harmful chemicals. The fresh mint and coconut oil flavor adds a unique twist to the overall experience. If you're looking for an effective, vegan, and gluten-free toothpaste that promotes a brighter smile, I highly recommend giving this product a try.